In this video, I'm going to show you how to check plagiarism using ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you can use ChatGPT to check or help check for plagiarism, but it's important to know that ChatGPT is not a dedicated plagiarism detector. There are some other ones that are pretty good on the market, and that is Turnitin and Grammarly Plagiarism Checker. These are the two I'll probably recommend if you are going to be doing this. But what ChatGPT is good at, it is really good at spotting passages that sound copied or inconsistent, comparing two texts side by side, rewriting content to make it more original, finding awkward paraphrasings, and helping add proper citations. So basically, we want to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to analyze text. So paste your text, and then at the front or the ending of it, say check this text for possible plagiarism or copied phrasings. And then ChatGPT can point out repetitive phrasings, generic wording, sudden tone style changes, and even overly formal or copied sounding sections.